Custom Window Systems has been manufacturing beautiful, energy-efficient windows since 1986. Their 300,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Ocala, Florida is state-of-the-art. Founder John Swick and his team of skilled designers and craftsmen are dedicated to creating products that are tough enough to withstand the harsh and unpredictable Florida environment. Custom Window Systems employs over 300 people, but you won't see a tape measure anywhere. All of the ordering, manufacturing, and shipping are computer controlled with the aid of the manufacturing software supplied by Pref Suites. Once an order is placed by the dealer, those design details go directly to the computers on the production floor.
Since we moved into this building, we are pretty much what you would call paperless. Everything is computer driven. So as the orders are faxed in, called in, or actually online ordering systems today, those orders would be generated and then they would travel down to the different stations, and every station then has computers and computerized saws. What happens is the material comes in from the far sides of the building, then it continues to move through the different assembly lines, which again, as I said, are actually computer driven. That means where you don't see too many tape measures down here. So those extrusions are going to be pushed down, they're going to stop automatically, and they're going to cut to the precise measurements that is required for that particular job.
One of our state-of-the-art machines is the Greller 4-point welder. This machine welds all 4 frame pieces at once, assuring you a consistently square product. The welded joints, which are heated to 250 degrees Celsius, are actually stronger than the frame itself. After the joints are welded, it's brought to another automated machine, which planes off excess material. It's details like these that are appreciated by builders, architects, and engineers. Another state-of-the-art machine is the Optimizer. With the assistance of computers, this machine takes several different window orders and scores those shapes onto one 6x7 foot sheet of glass. The glass is then automatically scored, and the conveyor feeds it to workers who snap off the various sizes and recycle the minimal waste. Once the glass is cut, it's then fed through a hot washing machine to make sure each piece is spotless. The conveyor then feeds it directly into the clean room, where the 2 matching pieces of glass are married together. 2 rooms run simultaneously, one producing high-impact glass, the other non-impact glass. First, an insulated sealing strip is applied. Then the second piece is placed over the first. The final step is the 2 pieces are put through an oven to seal them into an airtight and moisture-free glass panel. Once the insulated panels are oven sealed, they're placed on staging carts and wheeled to the appropriate production line for installation in either an aluminum or vinyl frame. Argon window panes are the newest innovation at Custom Window Systems. First, the extremely cold liquid argon is injected between the panes. The argon immediately begins to boil and turns to gas. The argon gas then drives out any moisture in the pane, creating a more energy efficient and longer lasting window.
The liquid argon automatically extends the life of the unit by 15% because it's taking out all the moisture out of the unit immediately. And that's a big thing for us, in Florida especially.
Adhesive sealer is applied either by hand or by a state-of-the-art laser-guided bedding machine. Once the glass is in place, the window adheres in seconds. Trim is then applied for looks and stability.
As we look right down here below us, you'll notice several people here. They're actually hand cleaning every window. That's been one of John's hang-ups for years, is he does not want to send windows out of this manufacturing facility dirty. Because what happens then is our client has to spend hours out on the job site, or the consumer has to spend hours cleaning those windows. That means our clients, the installers, can install that window, pull off the label, and they can walk away and everybody's happy.
After the final cleaning, all orders are carefully packed and scanned in preparation for shipping.
Once the window has completed its manufacturing stage, then it's going to go through a wrapping machine, a banding machine, which actually are going to insert cardboard sleeves around the sides and the corners. They're also going to insert wood blocks beneath the window to help hold up the weight and support the weight of that window. We're going to try and do everything we can to build this window correctly and completely here, and then ship it completely and correctly So when it's unloaded on the other end at one of our clients, again, it could be loaded on another truck, then taken out to the consumer's house where it's going to be installed. Nobody benefits if that window cannot make it to the consumer's house, be installed, and a check be collected. So we're going to do everything we possibly can, not only to make that safe on our trucks, but also to make it safe on our clients' trucks as well.
Custom Window Systems specializes in designs like this innovative vinyl window, which is bronze on the outside and white on the inside.
This is a new bronze/white window that we're introducing into the area. It's bronze vinyl extruded to white vinyl. So it's bronze on the outside, however it's white on the interior. It just turns out to be an interior decorator's dream come true, because it's so much easier to decorate around white on the inside of the home. It's available in a single hung, a horizontal slider, patio doors, picture windows, and soon to be available in a casement window and also an awning. But it's a major breakthrough for many of the condominium associations, which had bronze aluminum windows, and of course you got to keep with the appearance, and so people couldn't upgrade to an energy efficient window. So now an individual homeowner can take out an old bronze aluminum window and upgrade to a bronze on the outside, white on the inside, vinyl energy efficient impact window today.
Custom Window Systems has a complete department for bending vinyl to make specific sized arches.
We're one of the few vinyl frame window manufacturers that can actually do bends inside this facility. So what it does, it actually heats up the vinyl to a certain temperature that will then allow that vinyl to be pulled through a jig system to whatever shape that we're trying to achieve. And then we can actually build arch top single hungs, circle top single hungs. So we can do that with one window when normally you'd have to achieve that with two windows. Normally you'd have to have a square top window, you'd have a mall bar, and then you'd have a half circle on top of that or an eyebrow on top of that. We can actually, because we do our own in-house bends, we can do that with one window. And that's created a big desire to use our product in a lot of the different design homes today.
Custom Window Systems is constantly developing new designs. They have a full-time in-house engineering department, as well as a full tool and die machine shop for faster turnaround on new ideas. Custom Window Systems has made a large investment in Pref Suite industrial software and their own servers to manage this powerful ordering system.
Well, basically this is the brain center of all of our operations. All of our outside plant management, quotes, orders all come through here, where all of our systems are redundantly backed up so that we have complete data integrity. We want to ensure that all of our orders are received from the customer through manufacturing, shipping, and delivered on time and as ordered. I mean, all of the product lines have multiple combinations and configurations. They're all stored in the system. Makes it easy to quote and configure product. So if they've got complex window arrangements like this, or even multiple units where they reconfigure and configure on open space, so the system being fully parametric allows them to see all of their changes real time.
At Custom Window Systems, we understand the importance of preserving the environment for future generations. Years ago, in December of 2001, before it was fashionable, we were the first window manufacturer in Florida to be certified as ENERGY STAR approved. We now offer windows and doors that actually exceed the ENERGY STAR requirements and qualify for the Energy Tax Credit of 2009. CWS recycles all aluminum, PVC, and glass scrap that eventually becomes useful products elsewhere. Our manufacturing facility was built with green building principles and energy efficiency, and our ordering system is paperless, utilizing computers and thereby helping to save our environment. Custom Window Systems, combining beauty, energy efficiency, and strength. For more information on us or our products, call 1-800-327-3086 or check out our website at www.cws.cc.